It's not amazing. So make sure you guys continue to be active. Be active with each other, alright? Guys, follow each and every single active account in the building. Make sure you guys are connected to the shop, alright? Don't snooze on any account. I need you guys. It's not amazing. So make sure you guys continue to be active.
All right. So guess who is back, guys? Guess who is back? Guess who is back? So I'm back, and we shall trade now live. OBS has finally accepted to be, or has already accepted to be working now. It's working, running smoothly. So I'm back here. We shall analyze now, take trades together. Yep. Just kindly sub to the channel and share also. Double tap to like the stream also. Or you just like the stream, comment what you think about it. I'm first checking something to make sure it is okay. Yep. So this is gold. I'm going to begin with gold. Guys, I want to hit 2k subscribers, so kindly do it for me. Just subscribe. I'll be posting both the vlogs and trading videos. I want first check out the stream if it is okay. Then we begin. Yeah, so I'm done. So the first thing that you should know about trading is that it's a personal choice. If you want to make losses or to make profits, that is a choice. Because every decision you make in trading, that is your choice. And it can affect you or build you. It can destroy you or build you. So those are my words that you should be remembering. Alright, so we are on XAUUSD, that is gold. We are on gold. Gold. And as I said, this is an obvious an uptrend, which you cannot just jump in that you are buying right here. You can't buy from this straight. You have to be patient, wait for the so you have to be patient and you wait for the trend to move to make a move or to make the direction that you want to take in that trade. So that is what you have to know. So from here what we shall do is identify the trend. Identify the trend. This is a text identify. This is how I take my personal trade so you can follow and you do the same also. Right. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and tell me what you think about my videos also. Connect with me through the links on my description. I have my Discord, X, and Telegram. So as I said, after getting this, now after identifying your trend, what next now? The next thing is to find the levels now, or the zones that you have to find the possible zones that the market can reject or make a move from. So this can be our first zone, this, then this is our zone also. This is our zone also. Then from here, what do we wait for now in order to buy again? So what we wait for is simply just this. This is an uptrend already. So you cannot enter from here. So you cannot just buy from here, guys. No. So you have to wait for the market at least to come back here and make a retest, which you can do this. But the overall trend is an uptrend, or it is bullish. So this is what you will wait for in 24 hours, of which it's not the confirmation yet. We are still waiting for the confirmations. So this is not our confirmation because we are still on the higher time frame. So let's go lower. We have seen this that is bullish and we are waiting for this in the higher time frame. Now let's go to 4 hours and see what we shall wait for. So nothing has changed here. Nothing has changed. So this is what we are seeing also, which is another powerful zone. This is another powerful zone, of which it's a break of structure. Let me just mark it out for you guys. This is the break of structure here. Dot it. So this is our break of structure, of which it means this is going to be taken out first. Of which it means it has to take this out, taking this break of structure out, of which we can term it also as the liquidity around here. So this is our liquidity. So it's going to be taken, of which I said this. Now you just wait for it. Let me mark out this also. You can wait for it to be taken out. Then from here you target this above this. This is going to be your target. So we have checked now on the high time frame, which is 1 day, 4 hours. Now let's go to 1 hour and we'll see if the market is still the same. So it's the same thing that we are seeing still. This was the break of structure, of which I talked about there. From here also you can draw the trend line, of which it can confirm also. From here you don't need to force anything. Don't force the market to touch the points that it isn't going to touch. Once you force the market, it forces you also into losses. So you have to follow the rules. You make it touch this side. So that is it. Now what we can wait for here, you can as well sell from this side targeting this, but we don't trade sideways market. We have to wait for this just for our confirmation to be done, then it's good to go. So we are just waiting for the retest here. Then we can come down here, meaning we can enter in for sales here, targeting this zone or the trend line zone, of which we shall go long after. This we can go long. Our stop loss is going to be below. Let's see. Those are 24 pips. That's 6 pips, 40. Yeah. So those pips are enough. Hence you target here also the high, the next high. So this is what we are waiting for. We can as well wait for this to happen. Sell from here and buy from this side. Let's say we are going short. Any of these confirmations is going to guarantee us a win. So this is my analysis on gold, guys. This is my analysis on gold. If it doesn't do this, then there's nothing you can do about it. You don't force the market to do what it isn't going to do. So let me check on the stream. So guys, this is our trade on this. Let's see on 15 minutes time frame what is there. 15 minutes is the same thing that we saw. We are just waiting for this and we drop. But let's use 1 hour. So this is our trade that you are waiting for. You can take this trade after the confirmation, of which the confirmation is going to be this side. Or once it breaks just below this trend line, you can sell. Once it breaks, I've removed it. So that is it. A break below this trend line, it's a confirmation that we are going to sell. A break just below this, we are going to sell from here. So let's wait for that trade to happen. Let's just wait for it to happen. Plus connect with me guys through those links on my description. Connect with me. Let's wait for the trade to trigger. So which pair should I analyze next? Which pair? Let me know in the comment section which pair should I analyze next. Without a break below this trend line, we are not selling anything. So So without a break, we are not selling anything. We just wait for it to make that confirmation. Without confirmation, we don't trade. Without confirmation, we don't trade anything. Alright, so someone has reminded me in the group that I check also on synthetics. Guys, kindly subscribe to the channel. Sub to my channel. Without a break below this trend line, we are not selling anything. With a break, you are selling. So let me have a look at synthetics also. So I'm going to check on synthetics also. That is derivative trading. This was our signal on gold if you have missed. Now here comes the synthetics. Here you can use any strategy, the break and retest, trend line, support and resistance, demand and supply, all those can work here in synthetics. Doesn't matter which strategy you know. But where it matters is the pair that you are trading. Because here things aren't easy. So it's no different from Forex pairs. Everything is okay. You can use the strategy you use on Forex pairs. Right, so this is the pair we are going to analyze here, guys. Just make sure you have subbed to my channel so that you don't miss anything that I will be saying in this group or giving out. Just make sure you have liked the live, subscribed also, because that is important, guys. So here what we are going to use is the break and retest, trendline break and retest from this synthetics. We are going to use trendline break. Oh, I wrote the signal badly. So let me first check something here. Oh, guys, kindly subscribe please to the channel. That is very important. Your subscription is important to me, guys. So make sure you have subbed to my channel. Alright, I'm back now. I'm back. So I'm going to first show you guys the links that I be talking about. So these are the links. I don't know if you are seeing. These are the links that I talking about. I have X, which is Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Just only these links. So kindly tap on them and join me there. Let's connect. Anything that you need about trading, I'm going to give you. That is freely. I don't charge any. So let's continue with our signal. This is just obvious. You get your trend line tool, which is this. Place it where there's low. Here you make sure you don't cut out any pattern or you don't mess up with the rules of the trend line strategy. Don't mess with the rules and don't. Yeah, is just simply don't break the rules when you are drawing the trend line. So that is our first one. Just clone this and get another one. As I said, we are going to use trend line break and retest. It's what we are going to use. It's one of the easiest strategies that you can use. Now this is 24 hours, and what do we do here next? In this 24 hours time frame, 24 hours time frame, this is what we are waiting for, because on the third touch it's where we buy from. So we are just going to wait for this to happen. We are waiting for the market to touch this, and then we can buy until this side. As simple as that. From 24 hours time frame, it's not yet, because this is an uptrend, and we are going to look for buys only here, because it's but a break below this trend line, a break below this trend line is going to result into a break and retest, of which let's say the market breaks below it. So we shall just wait for it to retest, and we sell. We sell targeting this zone. So this is what is going to happen. No. I said a break and retest here. Then we shall target this zone. The level is, or the price is, it's at this price 264.1593. So that is what our target is going to be. In case of this, I'm just saying in case it happens, but I don't think it's going to happen here. It's going to respect our trend line, which we shall buy from here. Our trend line is going to get respected. I'm just saying, I'm not perfect in that, but I'm just saying that it can happen. In case it happens, so what we shall do is to go lower to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, it's the same thing that we were waiting for there. You see how the market was moving. This was the market movement here. Now what are we waiting for still? We are waiting for the market to do this. And this is the high that we are going to target. We shall target here. And I said in case of a break here, you just wait for a retest to happen, and then you are good to go to sell. Here also, you just wait for the market to come back here down, and then a rejection from here results into a buying, meaning we shall go long. Let me see. Meaning this is what we shall do in case of, because the market is bullish. In bullish market, we buy, we don't sell. We buy, we don't sell. So this is going to be our market target, or our target. Let me see. That is 63 pips, which is a lot, targeting 500. So we shall be targeting 520 pips, losing 63 pips in case it goes against us. But we are not negative, we should be positive always. Always be positive, and the market shall reward you. So what we shall do is to go to 1 hour time frame right here. 1 hour time frame, we are seeing this. So we shall just wait for this trade after to play out. We shall not be in a rush. If you are to mark out your zones also, this is a strong zone, of which this is. So a break this is just going to confirm us going down. Let me see which. Yeah, so here's the tool I wanted. So this is a strong zone, guys. These are what we call strong zones. Strong zones are areas that have a potential in order to reject that market or to push that market. Those are the strong zones I'm talking of. A strong zone has the power to reject or to push, which what we are waiting for here is for a rejection here below in order to drop. Then hence a drop here we shall buy from this side, which is our confirmation already. This is a touch, this is a touch, this is a touch. So these are three touches right here. Which others happened after or before this? Let's say this was our touch, second touch, and the third touch, which is going to happen here or here, around here. Any third touch that happens here, we shall buy from. Then this was, as you see, this was a break and retest. This is a break and retest. Let me get this tool. As you see, so it happened like this. It just played. This was going to be a good retest here, but the market didn't. So this was what was going to happen. This was going to be a break and retest. A retest is simply the market is coming back to take out that point and then it goes up, either down or up. That is, but let's first check on our market. So it's still here, no confirmation yet. As you see, guys, even this also you can do this. We can also sell from here, but scalping only we can scalp from here because this is going to be a retest now. Also, this is going to be a retest, which we shall target here. We scalp now. Let me see. Scalp to the downside, meaning we are going to go short here, which is then we shall come and buy from here. Let me put the positions. But here we wait for confirmations. We don't just jump in. So this is what I'm confirming to happen. We are anticipating this to happen. So we just put in this fair value gap. Yeah. So after this, we shall also buy. We shall go long from here. Guys, kindly subscribe to my channel if you have watched this video or if you are going to see it later. Be joining my lives also. So all this is what is going to happen now in the market. Alright, it's about to happen, I'm seeing it. Yeah, it has already happened. The entry is triggered, but I don't know how it plays out. How it will play out. But that is what. Let me first take a peek of this. Let me send it to myself. Guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel, guys. If you are watching right now, subscribe. If you are going to watch later, subscribe also. So I don't know if you guys have entered that trade of which it's running already. The trade is running already. So make sure you have entered. Nice. The market is moving well. The trade, I mean. Our trade is moving well. So you just make sure to subscribe and be joining my lives every day. Just make sure you have subscribed to my channel. I hope you guys have entered this trade. Let us check on the pair, this gold. Gold, there is no entry yet. There is no entry trigger yet, but we shall wait for it to happen. So you have to be patient. If you are if you are a trader, you have to be patient. You should not rush everything. So just be patient with the market and it will reward you. Without you being patient, then the market won't do anything for you. Just make sure you have subscribed and you have taken this trade. Mark the stop loss area and the target area, of which this is our short, this is going to be our long. Our stop loss is just going to be 9 pips. Our target is going to be 91 pips. So are you seeing how that is? That is around 89. 89. Yeah, I think 89 pips all. Just risking 9 in order to get 89. This we are risking 22 pips to get 69 pips. At least this the reward ratio or the RR is not better. Our gold signal is still, let me zoom out, we see. So this is what our trade looks like. We are just waiting for it to break below this, then we can sell until this point. Synthetics signal is there, you can take it also. 15 minutes time frame. A break below it, that is going to mean you will add more entries stacking. You will have to stack in case it closes below this bearish candlestick, then you can stack. Stacking means you add more positions in order to maximize your profits. So guys, I'm going to end from here. Kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in the next live also. So I'll see you the next live. So let me just end the stream from here. Let's see this before going off. Yeah, as you see, it's still running clearly. So that is our trade is still running. So guys, check that trade. Then I'll see you the next time that I will be coming live. Let me first check on the live how it is performing. I don't know which day should I be coming live every day. Which day should I be? Which day should I be coming live? On the live how it is performing.